On July 2nd, we changed our oil in our daughter's 2008 Honda CR-V. We took an oil sample and sent that off to Blackstone Laboratories. And right now we're gonna take a look at those sample results. So we took the sample on July 2nd. We mailed it off at the post office on Monday, July 4th, and got this email back 10 days later on July 14th for our 2008 CR-V. And it had 7,314 miles on this oil and 110,468 miles on the odometer. Trying to decide if we should change the oil at 5,000 miles or 7,500 miles. And this one takes 5W20, full synthetic. We used Mobil 1 extended performance, high mileage, 5W20. So they said you can stick with this oil change interval for now. Fuel is the only potential concern at 2% based on the flash point. There's just enough fuel to warrant caution, but if you aren't noticing any symptoms of a problem on your end, such as a rising oil level on the dipstick, then we'll give this result some leeway. With any luck, fuel is just operational, maybe from short trips before taking the sample, for instance. Universal averages show typical wear for the engine type after a 6,700 mile run. Your metals match up well even after a longer interval. No coolant found. So they're saying that the metals found are typical of a 6,700 mile interval, and ours was at 7,314 miles. So here's the data. So they show you your results here on the left for all those types, and then over here on the right column is the universal average, so you can compare your numbers with those numbers, and they're all looking good. And then down here shows you a viscosity and the normal range and flash points, fuel percent, everything else. So it's great that there's no coolant in there, and a really good sample. If you'd like to see the original video from July 2nd where we took this sample during the oil change, I will put a link to that in the description. Thank you for watching.